has been taken by the centre. Due to incessant rainfall for the past few days, the State Disaster Management has informed that the water level of rivers like Simsang and Rongdik, South Garo Hills district has increased, which has affected the nearby villages. The Darang Boldak road was also washed away due to the flash floods. The incessant rainfall has also triggered landslides in the district, in which around 5 houses were partially damaged in Era Aning village. Meanwhile, Deputy Commissioner of South Garo Hills, Shivansh Avasthi, informed that the movement of vehicles along National Highway 62 affected temporarily due to overflowing streams, debris of landslides, whereas some locations have already been cleared by PWD roads. Link road to Karukol and adjacent villages submerged due to increase in water level of Simsang, Avasthi said.
Just to take precaution measure because there is a heavy flood is coming in. I mean, especially the southern part of the state, like the Siju, Rewa, and the South Korean people, and like the inform. Just be prepared and be careful.